Greetings, my name is James Curtis Geis. Thank you for tuning in. I've been a history teacher for 20 plus years. I've been writing since 2016. If you enjoy my stories, please hit like and subscribe. If you like them, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you. So today's story is coming from Wonder Years of Teenaged Insecurity. And the title of this story is Pretty Weed Flowers, circa 2002. And that would be the year that I moved up to West Milford. I moved to West Milford, New Jersey, my cabin, half stone, half wood, with a lovely back deck overlooking the wetlands and 26 acres of woods on July 1st of 2002. I noticed beautiful yellow wildflowers that I dig up and I plant in the front of my house, next to where I plant my garden. Look at me, being frugal and saving time and money by using what nature has provided me in the wetlands of my backyard. A penny saved is a penny earned. I rue the July day in 2002 when I planted the fig buttercup plant with pretty flowers that is really an invasive weed and spreads as quickly as the dreaded kudzu that has famously overtaken the landscape of the American South. Every year, I must pull out all the fig buttercup extensions and extensions and extensions and extensions and extensions squared, knowing I will never get rid of it, and that it will be a lifelong battle for me. All because I stupidly was attracted to the pretty little bright yellow flowers that I assumed were friendly, but was really the siren call of a weed from the pit of hell that will haunt me the rest of my living, gardening summers. It is the song that never ends, but weeds. So, God bless you, all humans and ETs. All my books are on Amazon, and thank you so much for listening.